Hey guys, it's your girl Claudia, and I am going to be going over my nighttime skincare routine with you guys. Just to give you guys a little primer on what has been going on with my skin, I less than a week ago had a really severe allergic reaction to some products that I used. If you want to know about the products that I had an allergic reaction to, you can check out my video called First Drugstore Haul in 10 Years. I used some American drugstore products on my face and they really gave me a terrible allergic reaction. I am almost 1 week out from the reaction, so I still have a lot of spottiness and redness on my cheeks from the allergic reaction. So my skin is not usually this red and spotty, it's just I'm having an allergic reaction, so you'll have to forgive me. But anyway, let's get into it. First things first, I'm starting on a clean face, and this is me right now. It's bare-faced with nothing but cleansing done. We're going into toner, and I am using Indie Lee CoQ10 toner. This bottle is very full because it's a new one that I just cracked open. I have gone through about 4 bottles of this toner, so I like it a lot. It's very gentle. Okay, toner is done. I am next gonna go in with my Ipl Photo Facial, or my Ipl hair remover machine, which I use as an at-home Ipl Photo Facial machine. So I'm about to show you what I do with that. So turning that on, put the setting to 4, and then when I turn this on, it'll turn the auto function on. And then I basically just go all over my skin with this. And what this does is, in addition to hair removal, it stimulates collagen production. I'm just going to do this all over my face. I feel like you're supposed to be wearing goggles during this, but I'm not. I'll just try to close my eyes. And I just avoid my eyebrows because obviously I don't want to remove my eyebrows. I'm also going to do my chin and my neck actually. I get a lot of breakouts on my chin, and I feel like when I use this in that area, it lessens my acne. Either it heals faster or it kind of prevents it. I get less acne when I use this in the areas that I'm acne prone in. You can use this on your décolleté as well. Anywhere where you want to stimulate collagen production, really. Okay, that is done. And after that, I like to go in with some essence. And this is Primera Miracle Seed Essence. I got this at Sephora. Just a little bit on the palm of my hand. Have it in really gently. After that, I am going to be going in actually with this Curology. So Curology is customized prescription strength skincare. It's for people who have cystic, really bad acne, or any specific problems that, regular products aren't helping out with. This will really help. I personally love the fact that it's customized and it has been effective because I get really, really bad cystic chin acne. It's hormonal. And this really kind of puts a stop to it and helps it shrink, helps it go away. I noticed that if I don't use this, my chin acne comes back. And mine is a custom formulation of, it has it on the back, niacinamide, 4%, clindamycin, 1%, and azelaic acid, 8%. And yeah, so I just use one pump of this, and I just apply it to areas where it's like my problem areas, which is gonna be my chin. I don't really get acne anywhere else. And then we are gonna move into serums. This is Tawasu First Care Activating Serum. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. It's hydrating. It's just like a simple base serum is kind of what I like to think of it as. At night, I like to use all sorts of different serums, and this one just kind of is the first one I always use. After that, I'm gonna go in with this Nisha Time Revolution Night Repair Borobid Ampoule. And this product in particular, I sell in my store, Dollface Shop. There will be a link below for Dollface Shop. Yeah, I love this. It's like super anti-aging, firming, good stuff. I feel like I like when serums are specifically for nighttime because it means that it can be extra thick, it can be extra, it's like you don't have to worry about the texture because you don't have to put makeup over it. So this is my favorite nighttime serum. I've been using it for many years. Yeah, anyway, it's called Nisha Time Revolution Night Repair Borobid Ampoule. After that, going in with this Tawasu Capsulized Ginseng Fortifying Serum. 2 pumps. You can really smell the ginseng on this serum. My skin is so nice and moist, I love it. So this First Care Activating Serum is sold at Dollface, so is this Tawasu serum. It's sold at Dollface. I believe they are both out of stock right now, but I'm pretty sure the Nisha Borobid Ampoule is in stock. Serums are done. I am now gonna go in with some creams. This is a really fancy cream that I actually unboxed not too long ago, and I've just started using it, so it's not like a long-term product. This is like a relatively new thing in my regimen. This is Holika Prime Youth Gold Caviar Capsule Cream, and basically, and like the packaging's really luxe. I love this stuff. It looks so beautiful on your vanity. So open that cap. If you can see, there are little caviar capsules in there. And it's not real caviar, but it looks like caviar, and I'm about to show you. Where's my little scoop? Oh, here we go. So you take the scoop that it comes with, it's this clear plasticky scoop, and you scoop out a few of the capsules. See how they're like caviar capsules. And I'm gonna put them in my hand. And you are supposed to crush them, like crush the capsules in your hand. They burst. And then you're supposed to rub this into your skin. It smells really good. Super hydrating. And this is like definitely like extra rich. Like it's not something I would wear underneath makeup. has kind of a thickness to it. Capsule cream is done. And then I'm gonna go in with some black snail cream, or black all-in-one snail cream from Maison. This is also available at Doll Face Shop. This is in stock for sure, I know that. And I really love this all-in-one snail cream because I feel like, first of all, to date, I've only gotten good reviews or feedback about it. And it's so like gentle. Like, I have used this on areas where I was having an allergic reaction. I recently had breast surgery and I used this on my healing breasts, and they also reacted really well to the cream, and it really relieved a lot of like the itching that I was feeling from healing. And so I feel like this is such a great like all-purpose cream. I use this everywhere. I use it on my hands, I use it on my neck, I'll use it on all dry spots on my body. Like, I feel like it's just like a miracle cream. So I love this stuff. First of all, this has a super high concentration of snail mucin. It is 90% snail mucin. So snail mucin is like a miracle ingredient that Koreans love. It is like antibacterial, anti-aging. It heals acne. It hydrates your skin. It heals your skin. It's just like all around like a good thing for your skin. So I love to use snail cream everywhere. After the cream, that's my moisturizer, I'm going to be putting on a sleeping mask. And this is Swarovski Overnight Vitalizing Mask. I love this stuff. It's super creamy, super rich, and it only takes like a dollop. And I just like to spread this gently all over. And I feel like when I wear this at night, my skin in the morning is like glowing and happy and supple. I really like to use this at night before I have like special events and stuff. I don't use it every night, but my skin has been so like mad at me lately from that allergic reaction that I decided it needed some extra TLC tonight. Oh, and that already feels so good. Like, oof. Just feel the rich, hydrating butteriness, moisture, all that good stuff in my skin. Sometimes I'll give myself this little face massage if my eyes are tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this and gave you a little peek into what I do at nighttime before I go to bed. I am super tired. I've been filming and editing for days and days and days now, it feels like, so I am off to bed. Thanks for joining me, guys.